Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 unique Atlantic city tours to book this fall. So let's start my video. 10 unique Atlantic city tours to book this fall. Summary: Atlantic city tours offer a focused and authentic way to explore the city with expert local guides to provide deeper insight. The top-rated tour in the Atlantic City includes Coast Tour, Scavengers Hunt, bar crawls, and bay trips from New York City. This tour caters to different interested and budget with options for spooky stories, captivating adventure, casino trip, culinary exploration, and holiday-themed activities. Apply nickname America Playground. There are nearly endless things to do in Atlantic City, New Jersey, from coastal boardwalk and bustling casinos. Making the most of this Jersey Shore stop can quickly become overwhelming. One of the best way to simplify the sightseeing process is to book a tour to explore Atlantic City. Tour offer a focused look at the civic city, from historically focused outing to spooky nighttime ghost tour. Ghost tour are also a great way to explore Atlantic City. Focus the offered come with expert local guide with who can help bypass the crowded tourist trap and provides deeper insight into the area, providing a more authentic experience. While there are dozens of tours to try in Atlantic City, this 10 tours are some of the top rated, offering the perfect balance of affordability, unique information, and a reasonable commitment to create an exceptional fall outing. Atlantic City Ghost Banshees of the Boardwalk. Atlantic City may be a land of high rollers and flashing lights, but at night a different side of the city comes to life. Guided participant throughout the most haunted part of downtown Atlantic City. The Atlantic City Ghost Banshees of the Boardwalk tours is a perfect way to enjoy the spooky stories of the city. With expert guiding leading every step, visitors will learn the history behind some of the oldest casinos in Atlantic City. In their storied history, the tour also explores some less well-known local hunts, including a parking structure that seems to be a magnet for tragic activity. Tour Atlantic City Ghost Banshees of the Boardwalk. Cost from $30 per person. Time 1 hour. Inclusions: expert guide, necessary admissions. Atlantic Adventure Scavenger Hunt. For those with a bit of the competitive street in theme, the Scavenger Hunt through the scenic Atlantic City may be the perfect way to explore the city. The Atlantic Adventure Carsat Scavenger Hunt is one of the top rated scavengers hunt in the city, largely because they provide a live remote host to help travelers success. Travelers also enjoy the chance to explore hidden gems of the popular roads, highlighting local hotspots and areas of cultural and historic significance. And with our digital documents right on the phone, the only things getting lost is the adventure themselves. To our Atlantic Adventure Scavengers Hunt, cost from $27 per person. Time approximately 2 hours. Inclusions: digital scavengers hunt, live remote host. All bets are off. Atlantic City bar call. Another app based tour in Atlantic City. This electronic tour combines the fun of scavengers hunt with the comfort of some good food and drink. Inclusions: popular locations like the Hard Rock Cafe and classic like Chris Pub. This competitive bar cruise is ideal for those looking for some guidance for their night on the town. The nature of this bar cruise makes it the perfect activity for a small group. For as a team building activity in Atlantic City, the cost-effective tour price also leaves plenty of rooms in everyone's budget to purchase the food and drinks of their choice, making it is a great option for those looking or from some activities to go with their budget-friendly high-end Atlantic City hotel reservation tour. All bets are off. Atlantic City bar crawl costs from $12.31 per person. Time 2 hours inclusion digital bar crawls map and clues. Atlantic City and Caesars Casino day trip from New York City. While Atlantic City has plenty of activities to fill a vacation, internally a number of visitors may opt to make its only part of the trip. Some travelers enjoy the variety of East Coast destinations by completing a New York to Atlantic City road trip and taking its scenic stop, but others may want the transportation to be taken care of for them. The all-day adventure from New York City to Atlantic City and Caesars Casino is ideal for those who want to see all of the top-rated attractions in Atlantic City without doing an overnight stay, making it easy to explore at Atlantic City. Boardwalk, Steel Pier, Amusement Park, and Tanger outlets of Atlantic City. This tour is the perfect catch of all that company event includes $20 in chips for guests to test their luck at the iconic Caesars Casino tour. Atlantic City and Caesars Casino day trip from New York City cost from $99 per person. Time 12 hours. Inclusions transportation to and from NYC $20 Caesars Casino chips. The Hook at Caesars Atlantic City. While there are many differences between Las Vegas and Atlantic City, one thing they have in common is truly over the top experience. The Hook at Caesars Casino takes advantage of one of the most iconic casinos in Atlantic City to create the perfect atmosphere to their snow at the little over an hour. The Hook's while a show feels more like the tour of the different personalities travelers can see as they explore Atlantic City, appropriate only for the 21 and over. The show brings plenty of humor with a little bit of circus theaters and a dose of audience participation to round out the experience tour. The Hook at Caesars Atlantic City costs from $84.75 per person. Time 1.25 hours. Inclusions show entry ticket. Fun City scavenger hunt in Atlantic City by the Operation City Quest. Electronic scavengers hunts are not only a great way to see some of the more unique corners of Atlantic City, but an excellent option for those who want to structure of a tour without the time constraints of a specific start and end time. The Fun City scavengers hunt in Atlantic City by Operation City Quest is one of the best scavenger hunt from tour in Atlantic City. It starts on the boardwalk of Atlantic City and winds guests through downtown with a series of puzzling and the help of a live host. If the main hunt isn't tricky enough, the live host will even give extra challenges, helping travelers really see the most of Atlantic City during their adventure. Tour Fun City scavenger hunt in Atlantic City by Operation City Quest from $10 per person. Time 2 hours inclusion digital scavenger hunt app live cost 2 hours limit. Hard Rock Cafe Atlantic City. Who say as the tour has to require a lot of walking, food lovers can enjoy more culinary exploration at the Hard Rock Cafe in Atlantic City. Each meal is 2 or 3 courses depending on the Option selected and follows the aim based on the guest choice. From 30 street burger or to light vegetarian is option. The Hard Rock Cafe is a chance to enjoy some classic East Coast Atlantic City food. Thus, who book ahead of time can enjoy proficient seeking and prepared gradually, making it easy to focus on enjoy the exceptional food at this Atlantic City favorite. To a Hard Rock Cafe Atlantic City. Cost from $38.50 per person. Time 2 hours. Inclusion 2 3 hour course meal. Preferential seating gradually included. Adventurous Scavengers Hunt in Atlantic City by Crazy Dash. Atlantic City is a great travel destination for every budget and interest. Scavengers hunt are undoubtedly one of the most popular types of tours in Atlantic City, thanks to their lower price tags and the ability to enjoy them as a group. Each scavengers hunt offers a little something different, focusing on different part of the city and taking a unique approach to the challenge. The Adventurous Scavengers Hunt by Crazy Dash is an excellent Atlantic City tour for those who want guidelines for where to explore but the flexibility to go at the place and in the order they choose. Like other hunts, the Adventurous Scavenger Hunt uses an app that provides clues, challenges, and a link to a live guide. A more casual scavengers hunt guest can complete the clues in any order, making it more of a self-guided tour than a highly energy hunt tour. Adventurous Scavengers Hunt in Atlantic City by Crazy Dash cost from $10 person. Time 2 hours. Inclusions digital scavengers hunt map and app live remote guide 2 hour limit. Atlantic City scavenger hunts. Roll the dice in America's playground. The self-paced tour of the thrilling Atlantic City is this scavengers hunt is filled with trivia, questions and challenges that makes it perfect for small groups. It is designed for families, friends, and thus making the last hurrah and on a bachelorette party. This casual scavengers hunt hops between popular landmark and unusual hidden gems available 24 hours 7. The scavengers hunt is a great for those with odd hours to fill for those who want to start and stop throughout their vacation. Perfect for those traveling on a budget. This $12 tour requires only a pair of comfortable walking shoes to enjoy a few hours out of on the tour. Atlantic City scavengers hunt. Roll the dice in America's playground. Cost from $12.31 per person. Time 2 hours. Includes a digital scavengers hunt map and app. Holiday scavenger hunt in Atlantic City by Holly Jolly Hunt. There is never a bad time to visit Atlantic City, but this who visit this mini Las Vegas during the holiday seasons will have even more activities to choose from. Sticking with their heaven popular scavenger hunt style tour. The holiday scavengers hunt by Holly Jolly Hunt offers the seasonally themed excursions. The more attractive scavengers hunt participant will hunt for both traditional and non-traditional holiday options. Guests will also get to perform fun holiday themed activities to earn points and collect items, making it a great family friendly Atlantic City activity. Tour. Holiday scavenger hunt in Atlantic City Buy Holly Jolly Hunt. Cost from $20. Group up to 10. To a time 1 hour. Inclusion digital scavengers, hunt map and app. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The travel has affiliate and sponsor partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. सो वैसे आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।